Hey everybody, happy Thanksgiving to you. Roger Hill for Snake Pit here, and or just Roger Hill, whatever you're watching. Got a fire going. Fire in the hole. No pun intended. Alright, melt. I just sparked the inside of that here. I'm gonna pile this up and we'll get a pile of wood going so we can start on our bed of coals. Been brining the turkey 22 hours. Alright, gonna rub this down with some seasoning and throw it on the fire. There you go. 22-pound birdie. John admiring the handiwork. Here we go. Another 6 hours maybe, huh? There's an update. I'll post this part 2 later.